So, Glenn, the reason why I love working with you is that I love just giving you a basic idea of the direction, knowing that what you do with it is going to be complete magic. There are so many people out there who are putting together very important presentations, very important slide decks that have incredibly big consequences about whether they go right or not. And yet they don't invest properly in getting it done right. I have seen so many important presentations that don't look that impressive. It's just like, well, do they actually care about the audience? And so that subconscious communication that gets communicated to the client through the visuals, through the graphics of the presentation, is hugely important. So we work together to find a visual representation of something that I was trying to communicate regarding one's psyche. And the way that you crafted that really brought that to light, which really subconsciously captures exactly that I was trying to communicate. It's the first impression that you're making oftentimes. It's that thing that's going to either win that deal or not. And that's why I always go to you, because it's so worth the investment. Your work is at an entirely different level. And the difference between reaching your client at that level and not can have huge consequences.